Unit 3, Lesson 4 test. Number 1. Which of the following describes a compound? A. A substance that contains one type of atom. B. Two or more elements chemically joined together. C. A common method for separating a mixture. Number 2. Reactant A and reactant B undergo a chemical reaction to form C. What type of substance is the product? Hint. Step 1. Look at the reactant A. Step 2. Look at the reactant B. Step 3. Compare reactants A and B to product C. A. An atom. B. An element. C. A compound. Number 3. What type of substance is always made up of a single type of atom? A. Mixture. B. Element. C. Compound. Number 4. What type of substance is always made up of two or more different types of elements joined by chemical bonds? A. A mixture. B. An element. C. A compound. Number 5. Which of these substances is a compound? A. Helium. B. Water. C. Hydrogen. Number 6. Which of these substances is an example of a solution? A. Salt water. B. Mercury. C. Concrete. Number 8. The picture below shows a magnet near a pile of particles of iron and sulfur. The magnet attracts the iron, separating it from the mixture. Based on the picture, which statement is true? A. The parts of a mixture keep their own properties. B. The elements in a compound keep their own properties. C. The properties of a compound are different from the properties of its elements. Number 9. Sucrose is another name for table sugar. Sucrose is a compound made from the elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Which statement best describes the properties of sucrose? A. They are exactly like the properties of oxygen. B. They are exactly like the properties of hydrogen. C. They are different from the properties of the elements in sucrose. Number 10. Which of the following is a way in which elements and compounds are similar? A. Elements and compounds are both pure substances. B. Elements and compounds are both listed on the periodic table. C. Elements and compounds are both made up of different kinds of atoms.